Like, what's I tell you where if you see this babe, she's set. Like, figure 8.
No, where the babe dey now? Where you hide this babe?
You know say I know natural. We better get natural. I'm not good million. Do you understand?
Babe.
What's going on here?
No tell me say na the baby this one.
Not. Not the baby this.
Okay.
Guy, what's up?
Again, asataolo kampiago no iso.
Guy, what's up now?
You know there anything on that they eat for this table? Come.
Oh my!
Come. I want to tell you something. Come.
Not two person over here for this one.
What is your problem? Why is it every time you go to embarrass me? I can't even you come see my friends. You come here, come they dress like if you know wear my jeans, you go wear my polo. Which kind of rubbish be this?
Me embarrassment. What I'm putting on, I just want to be free and sad. What did I do now?
It's not like that now, You supposed to understand sometimes now. My own maricha. Achalugo. My addition. My fancy switch.
You know when you come with this obesity speech, I will just sleep.
Hey, shut down.
Get away, This is what I subscribe for. Give me that hand.
Jesus, man, bro.
You?
Jesus. This is shock me.
Babe, what will you drink?
A glass of champagne.
Okay. So. Waiter, bring 1 bottle of champagne. Odogu.
Again,
50 ba for anybody who will break my hand down.
God. Why you give me this kind, babe?